homemade shortcrust pastry has an incomparable texture and taste. Moreover, it is easy to prepare. In the mixing bowl, put the wheat flour, the salt, mix together. The butter must be at room temperature. Cut it into chunks. Add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of water. Mix all together. Don't overwork the dough. As soon as all the ingredients are amalgamated, form a ball. Put it in a bag or cover it with cling film. Leave it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. The shortcrust pastry is done. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.